Science Magneto!
Hey guys, welcome to TheScienceKid here, and today we're going to be talking about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process in which plants convert raw material like carbon dioxide, which is what we breathe out, and water, is what we drink, into glucose and oxygen. Now, the plant has a special superpower, which is chlorophyll. So it uses chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and water to make its own food and produce oxygen for us to breathe in. So I recommend having one of these inside of your room or anywhere in your house all the time with you, because it's basically like an energy-free air purifier, and it's good for the environment too. And so basically, when I breathe out on a plant, it uses the water that I give it and the sunlight from outside to turn it back into its own food and more oxygen for us to breathe in, which I think is pretty cool because, you know, if you're in a room and then all of a sudden you put a plant in there, like within an hour, it feels so much better. And you know, during Christmas, how you have like a Christmas tree? You know, when you have that Christmas tree in your house, it makes the air so much better for you to breathe. Trust me, it's gotten a lot better in my house. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.